Salesforce Service Cloud Chatbot Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get chatbots wrong. They assume they are rigid and robotic. The surprising truth about Salesforce Service Cloud Chatbot is how intelligent and customizable it is, and you won't believe how much it can improve customer service efficiency. Here's how it works. The Service Cloud Chatbot integrates with Salesforce CRM to automate customer support, answer common queries, and route complex issues to human agents. It uses AI to understand context, track conversations, and even suggest solutions in real time. For example, an e-commerce company can deploy a chat widget on its website. When a customer asks about shipping times or order status, the chatbot provides instant answers, freeing up human agents for more complicated issues. Most people get this wrong. They assume chatbots frustrate customers, but Salesforce's AI can create personalized, accurate responses. Additional features include pre-built templates, multi-channel support, web, mobile, messaging apps, and analytics to track customer satisfaction and response times. Businesses can also train the bot to handle industry-specific queries, improving accuracy over time. However, there are considerations. Effective setup requires planning, and while the bot handles many queries, complex or unusual issues still need human intervention. Most people assume chatbots replace staff completely. It doesn't, but they significantly increase efficiency and reduce repetitive work. In conclusion, Salesforce Service Cloud Chatbot is ideal for businesses seeking scalable, intelligent, and customizable customer service automation. It enhances support while maintaining a human touch where needed. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of customer service and automation tools.